Hello. Welcome to all of you. From this site Aryavata. In this video, I will show you how to install Xray for Minecraft. Let's start. In that case, I invite you to set your paws up. Subscribe to the channel, write a comment and let's go. As you can see, you have all deposits here like coal, iron, gold, diamonds, and it's very well shown. Wow, mine got stuck in Minecraft. This is how there are 20 apps running in the background. That explains a lot until the music turned off. Good, so I think you see it all. Now I'll show you how to install Xray for Minecraft. We're going to the link to the page you have in the description. X-Ray Ultimate Resource Pack, constantly updated. We choose the version you want, and now when you download it you take this Xray and now you go to Minecraft options, then resource packs here, and now open the folder, and here we put the downloaded Xray. When we do it, we just move it to the other side. Click on data and we have Xray in Minecraft. So that was it in this video. Thank you for your attention. I hope I helped you, because I'm going to get a paw up. Subscribe to the channel, write a comment. And for now, take care. Hi.